Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel.
You're a star. I just want to show you you are. You should let me. If you send me the location, then I'll be right there. Then make I come check you, my babe. No time, no.
Welcome to another video. Happy New Year. It is the first video that I'm filming in 2024. So what's up, y'all? Welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. This is me redoing my intro for this vlog that y'all are about to see. The one that I did do, your girl was sick for like a couple days and I just sounded so congested and stuff like that. So I decided that once I'm good and feeling better, that I will just do another intro. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. Welcome to my moving series. I've never done a moving series before. Girl is getting up out of Alaska and she is on to bigger and better things, okay? I am moving from Alaska. I'm not gonna tell you guys where I'm moving to just yet. It might be in the next vlog, it might be later on. This is the first episode of my moving series. I had to ship my car, I had to do all this out processing stuff, so I didn't take you guys along with that because I had a lot of other issues with my car and out processing altogether, and it was just a lot. I'm gonna show you guys how my room looked before the movers came. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of when they came. I really couldn't record them because I needed to watch what they were doing at the same time, because girl, they will pack anything and everything. Like, I'm missing stuff that I was thinking was still here that I wanted to pack in my suitcase with me, but no, child, that stuff is gone. It's on its way to the other place. So this is my first time doing a moving series because when I was moving to Alaska, if you guys didn't know, I guess I could tell you guys what base I'm at now because I'm gonna be leaving. I'm at Eielson Air Force Base in Alaska, Fairbanks, Alaska, North Pole, Alaska, whatever you want to call it. So that's where I've been at if you haven't figured it out by any of my other military videos, but that's where your girl is located, okay? I'm not gonna tell you guys where I'm at yet, where I'm going to yet. So if you want to know that, like and subscribe, comment down below anywhere you think I might be going, and I guess y'all just have to watch and see, you know? Anyways, welcome to episode 1. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's just get on into the vlog. Oh, I do want to say I did get a new camera, so if your girl looks a little different and the quality looks a little different and looks kind of good, it's because you got a new camera. My other camera was acting up and I just had to put her to rest, okay? Had to put her to rest. So come to find out, I filmed all of my videos for the past week, which is 2 vlogs with no sound. So I'm gonna have to voice over everything throughout this video, and next video it won't be like this, I promise. But here's the before of my room, the process of packing and getting rid of stuff and cleaning up and all that good stuff. So the next day was the day that the movers were coming to get all of my stuff. It was 8 a.m. That's basically what I'm telling you guys here, that it's 8 a.m. and showing you guys what it looks like in my room, which I literally just showed y'all that, and telling you guys that I have to pack my suitcases because I'm gonna have to use my suitcases for the next like month until all my stuff arrives to where I'm gonna be living, which that's not supposed to arrive till like freaking March, like the 18th, like the middle of March. So basically that's all I was telling you guys, and that I was gonna prepare my makeup and my suitcase and all the extra clothes that I'm gonna take with me and moving this stuff so that the movers don't pack that up, because they will pack up literally anything and everything that you leave out. Literally anything and everything you leave out, to the point where if you have a trash can that has trash in it, they will pack the trash in that trash can. Like, what? Like, common sense, but whatever. So here I'm actually packing like the rest of my makeup. I had already like wrapped it in bubble wrap and stuff like that. I'm just putting some more bubble wrap inside the container because I don't want my makeup to get broken at all, because I don't know how crazy these people are with this stuff, but if they're anything like them people at the airport, then they're chucking every single box, container, whatever you want to call it. So I put everything in a Ziploc bag a couple days before and stuff in some more bubble wrap. So I'm just putting that in this container because I need to make sure my makeup gets there safely. I don't have time to be repurchasing makeup, okay? As much as I like to think I'm rich, I'm not. and that's too much money to be showing up broken, for real. So anyway, at this point, now I'm packing my suitcase. I did laundry, and I just decided that clean stuff, most of it I'm going to take. The other stuff I'm going to pack away so they can take it. So I just went through those clothes and put what I wanted on this suitcase, because this is one of my suitcases that I'm going to be taking. So that's just what I did with this suitcase and packed that. All this is happening before the movers are supposed to be coming to get all my stuff. And they were supposed to come between 8 and 5 p.m. And it's like 6 something in the morning. So another part of my packing was packing my like military bag. You get this bag in basic training, and I put my blues in here, and you're not supposed to, mess up your blues or whatever. So if you're going to be moving, I don't recommend it. I do recommend this, but as soon as you get to where you're going, make sure you put that stuff in the dry cleaners, because you're going to need it when you get to your new base. You never know when you'll need your blues. So I just folded them up and put them in my green duffel bag that they give you in basic training, just so that they'll be out the way, because I know I'm not going to need them at this base anymore. So yeah, if you want to do that, a little packing tip, I guess. So here I'm just telling you guys that the movers called and that they're outside, and I had to go downstairs to get them because they didn't know where my building was. But honestly, they were supposed to call like 30 minutes before they show up. Don't know why they did that. They called me when they were outside, so I'm not really understanding why they didn't call me before. But yeah, so they were coming in to pick up my stuff, and I'm just gonna let that play for you guys. So once the movers were done, my room was just so empty. All the stuff that I kept is obviously stuff that's going to either go with me or it's going to go in the trash. But my room was very, very empty. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the first episode of my moving vlog. I know it's like all over the place and really ghetto, but I'll do better with the filming next time. Love you guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
No time,
She like them boy with the big old chains, ride around town in the big old rain.